Hello folks, this is David Hurley of davidhurley.net reporting on the 16th of January 2021 on my progress as a rookie trader trying to make a profit through the month of January on the Stormgain trading platform. It's a cryptocurrency trading platform using the demo account which gives me $50,000 of play money to practice investing. And so far, as you can see, 16th of January, we're 13 days into this challenge. I'm up $3,300, which is not too bad. More luck than judgment, you might say. I've just taken out a trade today in a rather uncertain market. I try to time my trades depending on what the charts are telling me. This trade has gone down into the red. It's a long position. I have a set profit and also an auto invest on it, so that if it goes down 50%, it will the system will automatically top up the trade from my 50,000 pot. Now it's only $100 set at 11 times leverage, so it's not too significant an amount that I'm risking. However, the objection would be that if this market actually plunges, if it breaks through the 30,000 mark, we're at 36,600 and something at the moment, then if the value of Bitcoin plunges, you could be wiping out your whole investment pot. So it is a bit risky. The underlying assumption of not setting a stop loss but adding auto invest is that we are still in a bull market for Bitcoin. But this week has been rather raising a question mark over that. Anyway, let's have a look at how we've been doing on the trades that we have closed out. Let's see, closed trades. So we started back on the 3rd of January. We had a nice start on that day. Then the next day we had some very mixed results, which pretty much wiped out the profit we made on the first day. Then we got into some rather nice results here. An incredibly lucky result netted me most of this $3,300 profit, a $2,733 profit while I was sleeping. Again, there was no stop loss set, and there was an auto invest set. It chewed through over half of my investment pot, so that was a highly risky thing to do. Here you see I set some stop losses and began to go into the red. Very mixed results until the end of the 5th of January. Things began to turn around from the 5th of January. And since then, so far, I have not had another losing trade. So that's been 10 or 11 days. Well, on the 5th, there were some losing trades, but I closed out the 5th on winning trades. And since then, I've not had a losing trade. And I have not, in most cases, I have not set stop losses. But I started trading with smaller amounts. I thought this kind of thing here, and especially the leverage, that's where you can head into very high risk territory. If you highly leverage a trade that goes the wrong way, then you can quickly lose your pot, your investment pot, if you have the auto invest set. So I scaled back the size of my trades to $100. And with the auto invest, they sometimes go higher. As you can see, this one went higher, and it netted me $152 profit. But in most cases, what I'm doing, because I don't have my nose glued to the screen, and in fact, in the last few days, I've been out away from the computer for much of the day. So I've only been making one trade a day and setting take profit in most cases at 30% to make around $30 if that closes out. Yesterday and the day before, as the market grew uncertain, I set stop losses, but they were not triggered. And in fact, I wasn't that confident in the trade. So when I saw that there was a little bit of profit in them, I closed them out. And that's where we are today with this one rather dodgy looking trade in Bitcoin that I'm looking at today. So that's it. The record so far, not too bad. Bitcoin's a bit wobbly. That's .USD. Bitcoin is a bit wobbly at the moment and uncertain of which way it wants to go. So it's probably better to set a stop loss. I might even adjust this trade later to do that, as the market is as likely to go down as it is to go up right now. Anyway, those are the insights for what they are worth of somebody who is merely a rookie trader. They are not investment advice. I am not an investment advisor or an expert in this at all. Okay, if you have anything to comment about that or any feedback or any nice tips for me, feel free to put them in the comments below this video. That's all from me, David Hurley of davidhurley.net, your rookie trader on stormgain.com.